Hello everyone, this is part 2 video from chapter Pollution of Water class 8. In part 1 video we have discussed about water pollution, water pollutants and the causes of water pollution and what are the normal changes in the properties of the polluted water. In this video we will talk about the potable water and the methods for making the water safe for drinking purposes. Now, what is potable water? The water which is fit for drinking purposes is called the potable water. Potable water will not be containing any harmful substances or chemicals, as well as there will be absence of any harmful germs or microbes which can cause diseases. So the potable water, if you are given a sample of water to check whether the water is potable or not, then you have to check for the following parameters to make it sure that the water is potable or fit for drinking. It should be colorless, it should be free from any odor or smell, it should be free from any suspended impurities, should be tasteless, must be free from any harmful chemicals, and must be free from the harmful microbes which can cause diseases. So these are the 5 parameters which you have to check to make sure that the water is potable. The purification of drinking water is done normally in our houses by using electrical filter or candle filter, just to make it sure that it will remove the suspended impurities, as well as it will destroy or it will kill the harmful germs or bacteria. But in the villages and in the earlier times, when there were no filters, then there was another method for the filtration by using the earthen pots. That filtration method included several earthen pots which were kept over one another, having the hole in the bottom. These earthen pots, they were having the layers of sand, gravel and charcoal, and when the water was poured into the topmost earthen pot, which you can see in the picture, the impure water, it will seep through all the earthen pots having the layers of sand, gravel and charcoal, and therefore it will be filtered, and in the last earthen pot we will get the potable water. That means the water which is fit for drinking purposes. Another method is boiling. Boiling is when the water is boiled to a higher temperature, then that will kill the harmful germs in the water, and that is why it is a very good method to make the water fit for drinking. Chlorination is also a chemical method to kill the germs by adding the chlorine tablets or bleaching powder into the water. The chlorine gas released in the water, it is a disinfectant. It will kill the harmful microbes and make the water fit for drinking purposes. Loading is another method to settle down all the suspended lighter impurities in the water, like we add the alum, which is normally called the fitkari, in the water. These alum particles, they are quite heavy. They will go and stick to the lighter particles in the water and make them heavy, and therefore they will tend to settle down. So we will get the clean water above, which we can easily decant off from that, and then we can boil it so that it becomes fit for drinking purposes. So this was all about the potable water. In our next video, we will talk about the treatment of the sewage and industrial waste, as well as few methods for the conservation of water. Thanks for watching.